Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. That is Technical Knowledge with Swapnil. I recently purchased DJI Mic Mini and it has two different things. One is the transmitter and one is the receiver. So if you want to know how to connect this to the MacBook, then watch this video. Okay, so I just plugged this thing. This is a C-type connector. It will be available when you purchased it. And the second thing is the transmitter, which is a mic, which is chota sa mic. Okay, and to sync this two, first what you have to do is there is a button called power button. You have to press this. Light will blink. It started blinking and we have 1 and 2, which is you can connect two transmitters. So currently in Mic Mini you will get one transmitter, in smaller package. So to connect this transmitter, what you have to do is you have to just hold for 2 seconds and it started again blinking. So now it directly connected and it has a two lights. One is for the noise cancellation, one is for, if you just click on it, it will stop noise cancellation, and if you want to start the noise cancellation, then you have to just click on it, it will start noise cancellation. So currently for, and initially it might be not connected to this one and this. So what you have to do is you have to just press this for 2 seconds and again this, press this to second button for 1 or 2 seconds, and then it will automatically sync and it will connect. Now to connect to your MacBook, what you have to do is you have to just plug this, and then you, in a C section, means in a C port, you have to insert it in your Mac. So just observe carefully. Now it's blinking, but once I just let me, okay, so now it's connected. I just pushed it, so instead of blinking, now it's static right now, so which means it is connected. And now the second thing is, what you have to do is Mac is go to your setting. Okay, and here if you see, you will get sound section. So click on sound and you will get, by default it will be MacBook Air microphone, but once it is connected, then you will get the option once it is connected, the receiver, and then from here you have to just select this, and now we are good to go. And now if we open photo booth, let's consider photo booth or voice memos, and then whenever you recorded your video, it will start getting the voice from this mic. Okay, this mic, and because DJI is connected now, and you will get a proper audio quality. Now it is connected. You see the green indicator. Okay, now it is connected. What you have to do is you can apply dead cats if you want proper voice, and then what you have to do is there is a magnet. Yeah, just put, there is a clip also. I prefer magnet. Okay, so just select this, make sure your voice wala this particular section should at the top, and now you can record the videos or audios, whatever it is. Yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. This is the just simple steps, and you can record your videos, audios and all these things by connecting this transmitter and receiver. Otherwise you can connect through Bluetooth. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.